5 Basic Energy Healing Techniques Using Your Hands. There are various forms of energy healing techniques, and the most basic of them is the use of your hands to heal. Remember that the base of any form of healing is intention. Your intention is incredibly powerful and perhaps more important than any particular energy healing technique you use. So before attempting any healing work, set an intention to heal and complement it with the power of presence. These are your foundation for energy healing. 1. Still hands. With your hands on the body or within the field, hold your hands still or move slightly above the area where the energy feels disturbed. Your intention is to return the energy to balance, flow, and cohesion. At some point, the energy will feel stable or peaceful again, or you will instinctively sense that it is time to move on. If it does not change within a practical amount of time, it may be that the disharmony is a crucial part of a larger process of healing. If this is the case, let it go to a higher wisdom. 2. Scanning. This technique involves passing the hands over the energy field, which is a few inches to a few feet away from the body. With open palms turned toward the body, move your hands along the front, starting about 4 to 5 inches away. Move from the feet to the head. Stay relaxed but focused and be receptive to the sensations in your hands. You might start to feel some buzzing, bumps, hot or cold, pushing or pulling, or many other sensations. Or you feel naturally drawn to particular chakras or areas of the body. 3. Sweeping or smoothing. This technique helps return the energy that is disturbed or in turmoil return to its natural balanced state of movement, flow, and harmony. Move your open palms in a sweeping motion through the field repeatedly, roughly 6 inches to a couple of feet above the body. 4. Magnetizing. This energy healing technique uses your hands like magnets to pull unwanted energy like that of another person, a drug, illness, a traumatic experience, or other negative energies. With your hands in the field above the area that is giving off these negative energies, set your intention to pull the unwanted energy out of the body and the field. Visualize it being drawn out of the body or field and clinging to your hands. When you can feel this unwanted energy stuck to your hands, flick your hands toward the earth to be rid of the energy. 5. Energy pump. When an overflow of energy has accumulated in an area of the body or field, the hands can be used to drain the energy out with the energy pump technique, thus rebalancing the area. This energy healing method can be applied to headaches, wounds, injuries, and other painful parts of the body. Place your dominant hand in the field above the area of pain or excessive energy. Hold your other hand out and away from you, pointing to the ground. Hold the intention to yank the excess energy into your dominant hand and send it out into the earth through your other hand. You might feel the flow of energy as it makes its journey from one hand to the other. If you sense that the flow of energy has slowed down before the pain has decreased, gently pump your other hand while making a gentle fist. Open it back up again several times in quick successions.